Here we go. This is number 19, autographed baseball, followed by 2 premium packs, 93, 94. 19 baseball. All right. Chris 6, Ala 3, Ed 3, Ala 1, Ed 4 more. Vince 2, Elijah 4, Rafe 2, Daryl 2, Raphael with a 3-piece. Hold the fries. 5 times. Here we go. Any you guys watching UFC tomorrow? You guys gonna watch that Tony Ferguson fight? Tony Ferguson and the other dudes fought. Weak. I'd say it's a pretty weak card if you ask me compared to last year. Ed, you're on top, and Daryl, you're on the bottom. 5 times for the 5 times. Good. All right, team to the left. Team you guys will have for the break. All right, Ala, Cubs, Rockies, Angels, Padres, Daryl, Athletics, Nats, Ed, Diamondbacks, Orioles, Dodgers, Twins, Mets, Pirates, Cardinals, Elijah, Braves, Indians, Tigers, Royals, Rafe, Reds, Blue Jays, Raphael, Marlins, Phillies, Rays, Chris, Red Sox, White Sox, Astros, Brewers, Yankees, Mariners, Vince, Giants, Rangers. Yeah, they have been weak. I don't understand. I guess guys make COVID, man. COVID, guys missing weight. All right, any trades here on the autographed baseball, guys? All right, here we go. Gold Rush baseball. Good luck. No Chief Keef in here, huh? You know it's gonna be a good ball. You know it's gonna be someone good if Chief Keef's not in it. He'll hit me up. He'll be on later like, I thought I had 2 spots in the baseball. Pretty good ball. Pretty good. Alright, it is Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. D18270. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Who hit that? What was the ball? D18270. Rollings, baseball, Kyle Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber. Make sure he's still on the Cubs. Alright, that'll go to the Cubs. Chicago Cubs, Alan Prick 0. There you go. You got yourself the Kyle Schwarber. Kyle Schwarber. Alright, 5 times for 5 times, guys. Top spot, free spot in the bonus break baseball for a TriStar or a Gold Rush multi-sport photo. 3, 4. Alright, Raphael. There you go, man. Donatello, 19. Alright, baseball, 19. Alright, good stuff there. Alright, guys, what else we got going on here? Alright, Premium Pack 93, followed by Premium Pack 94. Then we got a bunch of breaks still close. Alright, guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a line break. Thank you. Have a good one.